In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write good AI prompts in Notion 5 minutes. First, sign into your Notion workspace. Once you're in, open an existing page you want to work on or create a new page if you're starting fresh. Having everything in one place helps the AI use your page as context, so setting up your workspace before you prompt is a smart move. To draft new content with AI, click into a blank line and press the space key. That opens the prompt field right where you're writing. Think of your prompt as clear directions to a helpful teammate. State the goal, the audience, the format, and any must-have details. For example, you might say, write a concise project brief for a non-technical stakeholder, include a one-sentence overview, 3 key risks, and keep a friendly, professional tone. The more concrete you are, the better the first draft. If the response misses the mark, refine your instruction rather than starting over. Add constraints like length, voice, or what to exclude, and run it again. Here's a quick tip when drafting from scratch. Avoid vague requests like make it better. Instead, specify what better means. Ask for shorter sentences, a persuasive tone, or a numbered outline. If structure matters, say so. If examples help, include 1 or 2 short samples so the AI can mirror that style. If you already have text and want to improve it, highlight the section and choose Ask AI from the formatting menu. From there, you can request a rewrite for clarity, a tone adjustment, grammar fixes, expansion, or a tighter summary. Give direction just as you would in a prompt. Keep the terminology consistent with our style, or rewrite in active voice and keep the original structure. Review the result, then iterate until it matches your intent. Small, specific adjustments usually get you there faster than broad commands. For contextual assistance that leverages your page content, type /AI to open AI blocks such as summaries or action items. These tools read what's on the page to produce focused output. Before you run them, make sure the page includes the relevant notes or meeting text you want summarized. You can also add brief cues like headings or dividers so the AI knows which section to use. After generating, skim the output and tighten it with a follow-up prompt. For example, make the action items time-bound and assign an owner. That's it. Log in, open a page, draft with space, refine with Ask AI, and use /AI blocks for context-aware help. With clear, specific prompts, Notion's AI becomes a fast, reliable partner for creating and polishing your work.